The climate control system in your Genesis GV70 offers a variety of automatic and manual control methods. First, start the vehicle. Press the AC button to turn on or off the air conditioning system. Next, toggle the temperature dials to the desired temperature. Decide between either fresh or recirculated air. Adjust the fan speed. To adjust the airflow direction, touch the arrows on the climate control information screen to select the airflow direction. 2 to 3 modes can be selected at the same time. The sync button enables the same climate settings for both the driver and the passenger. Note that sync will turn off automatically if the passenger selects their own temperature. Your Genesis GV70 is also equipped with an automatic climate control system where your vehicle will cool or warm your interior cabin to the desired temperature. To initiate the auto climate control, first, start by pressing the Auto button. Note that the mode selection, fan speed, air intake rate, and air conditioning will automatically operate on its own from here. This can be done any time after the automatic climate control has been activated, and selecting different temperatures will not deactivate the automatic climate control. Take note that if the temperature is set to the lowest setting, the air conditioning will stay on continuously. Pressing the mode selection, front windshield defroster, fan speed control icon, or AC button will turn off the automatic climate control. Driver-only climate control can also be activated, reducing energy consumption by applying climate control to the driver only. All Genesis GV70 models are equipped with an auto defogging system, which helps reduce condensation and fog that may cover the windshield. The system is designed to sense when there is moisture present on the interior of the windshield and automatically turn on the defogging system. To turn the system on, make sure the vehicle is on and in ready mode. Then press and hold the windshield defroster button for 3 seconds. Alternatively, the auto defogging system can be turned on and off on the infotainment system screen. Press Setup, then Vehicle, Climate, Defog Defrost Options, and Auto Defog. By pressing the rear temperature control button, the temperature, fan, mode, and auto settings for the rear passengers can be set using the front controls. Rear passengers also have access to their own separate climate control system, which can be manually adjusted from the rear. Fan speed, temperature, mode selection, seat fan strength, and auto climate settings can be adjusted by the rear passengers. The rear climate can also be turned off. To lock the rear system and prevent any operation of the rear climate, press Setup and then Vehicle, Climate, Climate Features, and then select Lock the Rear Climate Control. For more information, be sure to explore the how-to videos on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult owners.genesis.com and your owner's manual.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the Genesis USA YouTube channel for more great videos, and visit genesis.com for more info.